everyone, a very warm welcome to this channel. My name is Farah. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I just wanted to come here and start the video. Today is the 20th of October 2022 and it's a public holiday here in Kenya, Mashujaa Day. Guess who's going to work? Me. My life is not lifing the way I wanted it to life. This is not what I had imagined my life to be at this moment. On days like this, I normally console myself like ati kuteseka ni kwa muda, but the muda has been 5 years. 5 years, maze. 5 years of not having public holidays. Hey, let me not talk too much. I need to rush to work.
Look.
Good morning.
A donkey.
A donkey. It's Saturday morning. We are headed to school. We are walking to school. There is academic day today. So, you want mandazi?
Yes.
Okay, wait, yes. So, that's where I'm headed right now. Yesterday, nothing interesting happened. I just went to work and then I came back home. So now, we are on our way for the academic day. Let's go and see what the teacher is going to tell us. Yes, have you been a good boy? You've been a good boy? Okay, let's see if teacher will say you've been a good boy. Did you do this?
Yes.
Okay. Your hand.
A yellow paint.
Yellow paint. Okay. Oh, did you do this? Okay.
Mom.
Uh-huh.
I'm painting the cup.
You painted the cup.
Red house.
A red house.
Oh.
Good boy.
Oh.
Wow.
A smiley face.
Wow. A smiley face.
It's a face.
A sad face. Where is the sad face, guys? I can't see the sad face. Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
Mom.
Yes.
Apple.
Apple. Apple.
Half for heart.
Half for heart.
2 for tree.
2 for tree.
Mom.
Yes.
Number 6.
Number 6. And then?
Number 8.
Number 8. Oh, what's this?
A tree.
A tree. And this?
A duck.
A duck. Okay.
A grass. Mom. Red circle.
Red circle.
That is a circle.
Uh-huh.
Circle. Where?
The circle is red.
Circle. Red.
Uh-huh. And then? What shape is this?
Star.
A star shape. And this?
Next up is a triangle.
Triangle. Yes.
A square.
A square. Did you join these dots?
Yes. It's coloring. Yeah.
Who joined these dots? Wow.
Me.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Where?
And we are done. But guess who is going to work right now? It's 8:30. I need to rush. Hey. All the comments were positive. S is doing well. S, you've been a good boy. He's doing well all round, except one thing. He still doesn't want to eat at school. S, you don't like the food. Is the food bad? I don't even know what I can do because he doesn't want to eat kabisa kabisa. The teacher is telling me that when it's time to eat, S puts his plate aside. And at home, he eats really well. So I don't know. Yes. You eat, okay?
Who's racing then?
Hmm?
Oh, it's called. Don't let it go. Oh.
Okay. Let me rush to work. Bye bye.
Go.
Say bye. Bye guys.
Hi guys.
You say bye guys.
Bye guys.
See you later.
See you later.
I'm just going to drop S at the gate so that he can go home. And then I rush to work. See you. I'm at work. Right now I want to do a setup outside the office. There's an exhibition going on, so it's basically setting up a table and making it look cute. Nothing out of the ordinary, so that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm back home. I want to undo this hair so that I can do another style. So the next time you're going to see me, I'll be in a new hairstyle.
We are sweetie.
No, sweetie.
We do.
Good morning. Guys, I didn't get to plait my hair yesterday. The only thing that I managed is to wash it. Life.
Mama.
No. What are you doing? Color? Red. So I'll be plating it later on during the day because I have to clean my room right now. Life. Say see you later, guys. Say see you later.
See you later.
So I finished doing my hair and it was a struggle. I remember I was to clean my room and then begin on the hair, but I ended up cleaning the whole house. So now by the time I was sitting down to start on the hair, time was not on my side and I had to finish it last night because today I was coming to work in the morning. So there was no way I could come with half done hair, so I had to finish it. Hey, I'm telling you, and I was filming. By the way, you can check the link in the description box down below on the tutorial. It's I've done individual crochet on this hair and I think it looks pretty nice. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I'll see you on the next one, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Please press that subscribe button. I'm waiting for you. Subscribe. Goodbye.